Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this 4 by 4 cube. 4 by 4 is even layer puzzle, and uh, I'm going to show you a beginner's method. I have also made a video of solving the puzzle 4 by 4 without any parity. Now I am going to show you beginner's method, but there are few parities that we'll discuss. So first, let us understand the pieces. These are center pieces. These are edge pieces. These are corner, and we also have to remember the color pattern that will help us, because it doesn't have center which is fixed. It is unlike 3 by 3, whereas your center is fixed. So here it is I mean, it will help if we remember the color pattern. So white opposite of white is yellow, and this is red, opposite of red is orange. So next to, I mean, if red is in front, then the right hand side will be green and left hand side will be blue. So this pattern we need to remember. That will help us. Otherwise I'll show you how to deal with it once we solve it. So let's first scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So first step is to fix the centers. So we'll first fix all centers, and then we'll fix edges, and then we'll solve the entire cube. So first we'll start with white. So we have this one white piece over here and one white piece over here. So simply we have to bring this piece next to this. So this piece was here, so we'll take this piece out of the way, and now we'll bring this piece over here. So now we can see this is matched. Similarly, there is one piece over here and one piece over here. So what we'll do is we'll bring either this piece on top or this piece on bottom. So we'll bring this piece here, so that will not match. So what we'll do is we have to bring this piece over here like this, so that this will match. So now we can see we have two pieces which are here and two pieces which are here. So we'll bring this piece out of the way and we'll take this piece up. So our white center is done. Similarly, now first we'll fix the opposite of white, that is yellow. So we'll fix the yellow center now after fixing white. So this is our yellow side. So we have two yellow center pieces are there, and we have to fix two other pieces. So we need to see whether any of the piece is there or not. So we have one piece that is here. So we'll take this piece out of the way and we'll bring this piece up. But when we move this will get disturbed. So what we'll do is, once we fix this, we'll take this out of the way and we'll bring this layer back. So I'll just show you. So this is up, then now we'll take this out of the way and bring this back, so that our white center is intact. Okay, so now we have one yellow piece is here and one yellow piece is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this yellow over here, so that we can match a pair. So we'll take this yellow out of the way like this, and now we'll bring this yellow piece over here, so that, and again we'll have to bring this back so that this white center should not get disturbed. So we brought this down, and now take this out of the way like this and bring this up again. So now we can see this is intact, and this yellow pair is there. So now we have two yellow centers are here and two yellow centers are here. So how to fix it? Now we cannot fix directly over here, because once we fix here, this white center will get disturbed. I'll just show you. So if it is here, and if we try to bring this up, this is matched. I mean, this center is done, but this Y center got disturbed. So in this case, what we will have to do is, we will have to bring this up like this, take it out of the way like this, and bring this back. So this center is done and this center is also done. Okay, so now as I said, we need to remember the color pattern. If you do not remember, don't worry. What we can do is, we have to first fix the corners so that we get to know which all centers are there in the correct position. So let's say this is white, blue and orange. So here it should be white piece which has orange sticker also. So this is the another white orange. So we'll have to fix over here. So it is simple. Now you can see we have two corners are placed. We have to fix third corner which has white and blue over here. So we should have one piece which has white and blue. So this has white and blue. So simply we have to match the color with the other corner. So now we can see maroon or red, green, orange and blue. So now we have to fix this center according to this color. So this is green, so here it should be green. This is red, here it should be red. Here it should be blue, and here it should be orange. Okay, so now what we'll do is, we'll first start with red. So this is red, we have one more red over here. So what we'll do is, we'll bring this out of the way. Now our yellow and white, which are salt centers, are on left and right. So we have to be careful while doing fixing these centers, but this will not get disturbed. We'll try to see that. So this is one piece and this is another piece. So we'll take this out of the way, and now we'll bring this. This is our maroon center. So either way, what we can do is, we'll bring this center piece over here so that this will be fixed. Okay, so now we have another red piece. So what we'll do is, we'll have to find another uh, red piece that is here. So what we'll do is, we'll bring this red piece over here and we'll take this out of the way, so that, or else what we can do is, we'll bring this red piece on right hand side. So once we bring this piece down, this will not get disturbed. So bring this down, this pair is done, and this is one more pair. So we have to bring this pair over here. So what we'll do is, we can simply bring this pair also, since there is no other pair which are there in this plane. So we'll bring this down simple. So one center on this side is done. Now next to red was green on right hand side. So we have to fix green over here. Here it is blue. So what will, these are two greens which we need to fix here. So what we'll do is, we'll bring this up, or this green we need to bring this down and take this out of the way and bring it back. So two green pieces are fixed and this is also not disturbed. Similarly, we have to bring these two pieces together. So what we'll do is first we'll bring one piece down in this side and then we'll match with this piece. So what we'll do is we have to be careful while doing this. This is our green side. So we'll bring this down one piece and now we'll take this into top layer like this, and now we have to fix it with this so that this red will also be into its correct position. So now we can see this red is correctly positioned again and we have fixed these two green pieces over here. So now simply we have to bring this two green pieces over here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this green side here, so that what we'll do is when we bring this down and we'll take this out of the way and we'll bring it up so that this center will not get disturbed. So I'll show you how. Simply bring this down, take this out of the way like this and again bring it up. So match green with this. So now we can see this red and green, both the centers are fixed. Now opposite of red is orange. So orange is already there. Now we have to fix one more orange piece. So now we are left with two pieces which we need to swap. This blue piece will be here and this orange piece should be here. So we'll use 3 by 3 algorithm to swap these two. So this is our R and this is our U. So R, U, RI, U, R, 2U, RI, and now you can see both the pieces are swapped. So now our centers of all sides are done. Now next step is to fix the edges. So we have to fix the edges. So we have to pair the edges first. So to pair the edges, this is orange and blue. So we need to find one more edge piece of orange and blue and we need to pair them. So orange and blue is here. So what this orange and blue, we have to bring it in front of this. So we can simply bring this in front in such a way so that this is the piece which we need to bring it here. So what we'll do is first we'll take this back here and we'll bring it up, and now we have to ensure that if blue is here, blue in orange and blue piece, this piece should be rotated, like here it should be orange and here it should be blue, so that when we match with this will get matched properly. If it is, let's say if it is like this, blue and orange and blue and orange, this will not match. So we need to ensure that it should be here and it should be rotated. So we have to ensure that it is into its correct position. So let's say if this is the blue and orange side, so here it is orange, then here it should be blue and it should be on the opposite side. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll move the middle layer only like this, we'll take this pair out of the way and we'll bring this side down. Then we'll take this up and bring this layer back. So simply what we did is we matched these two edges, we took them out of the way, we bring this unsolved edges into its position and we brought them back and we replaced it. So now we can see these two pieces are paired. So similarly we have to pair all the edge pieces. So this is yellow and maroon, so we need to find yellow and red, sorry. So we need to find one yellow and red piece. Where is yellow and red? Yellow and red, and yes, yellow and red is here only. So okay, so what we'll do is, see, this piece is here and this we need to bring this piece over here. So what we'll do is we'll simply bring this down, and now since this is on the bottom side is yellow and on this it is red, so this will fix properly. So what we'll do is, this was here, so first bring it down, then take this side on opposite of this and bring it up. So now we can see this red and yellow is in front of this piece, and this is opposite color and opposite side. So simply match it with this piece, take this out of the way like this, replace it with this edge, take this back and bring this layer back into its original position. So this is also done. So similarly we have to find the unsolved pieces and pair them. So this is white and red. Where is white and red? White and red, one white and red is here and one white and red is here. So simply bring it down. Then now you can see this, both the pieces have white color on top, so we have to ensure that it should be flipped. So what we have to do is, we have to, instead of doing uh, I mean flip the entire side, we have to, or we can say, instead of R2 we have to do only R. So it will be here, and then we'll bring this down or up. So now you can see this is on the opposite side of this and with the opposite color. So now we have to bring this down, and now we'll replace it with this layer. So we paired them, bring it down, replace it with this edge, bring it up and bring this layer back. So we have to do it with all the edges, and we have to pair them. Now this is blue and red. Where is blue and red? One blue and red is here. So simply we have, it is of the opposite color and opposite side. So simply, and then we have to ensure that these two pair is unsolved so that we can replace it. So either of the pair, I mean this pair, if this pair is not or if this pair is not or this pair is already fixed, so what we can do is we can bring unpaired pieces or if we do not have any unpaired pieces, then we can replace it with these two unpaired pieces also. So bring this down, take this right, replace it with this two unpaired, bring this up and take it back. Okay, so where is now white and blue and white and blue? So these two we can swap, but we need to first flip this and we need to bring this into this side. So simply take this out, bring this down. So it was here, so I took this down and bring it back and now take it up. So now we can see this is on the opposite side and opposite color. So this is paired, this is not paired, so we can replace it with this also. So simply paired, take this right, replace it with this, take this back and bring this layer back. Okay, so now blue and yellow, where is blue and yellow? Blue and yellow is here. So but if we'll bring this up, this will be just opposite. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to first bring this is our blue and yellow, and this blue and yellow is on back side, so we'll bring this into this side and then we'll take it up. So it's like this, and then bring it up like this and now take up. So now we can see these two are opposite of each other and with the different colors. So this is already paired, so we cannot replace it with this, so we'll have to replace it with this. So paired, take this down, replace it with this, take this up and bring this back. Okay, we have to ensure that we have at least three unsolved unpaired pieces at the end, so there won't be any parity issue. So now we have white and orange and white and orange, but this is the same color, so we have to flip this and we have to bring this over here. So simply take this down and bring it up now. So now we can see this is white and orange and this is white and orange, this is unsolved piece. So down, replace it with this, bring back. Okay, so now we have 1, 2 and 3. Do we have any another edge pieces which are unsolved? No. So now we have 3 unsolved pairs. So this is the situation whereby we can solve all 3 pairs at the same time. So now we have to look at the pieces. This is yellow and orange, this is green and red, this is also green and red, and this is also green and orange. So this is the same side, same color, so we need to replace it, flip this. So what we can do is we'll bring this down, take it on downside, rotate it and bring it back. So now we can see these two pieces are opposite each other, and this piece is, we can replace it with this. So I'll just show you like this, and this is the once we replace it with this, here it is orange and yellow. So orange and yellow is one piece is here. So when we replace it, this piece will come this side. So this is the ideal configuration. So I'll just show you. This is paired. Now we have to replace it with this unsolved pair. So bring it down and take it up, and now bring this back. So now we can see all the pairs are done. So this is one more configuration wherein we'll first try to match with this and we'll replace it with this two. So since these two are not into its correct position, so this yellow and orange should be here and this green and orange should be here. So I'll just show you. This is matched. Now we'll replace it with this unsolved edges. So we'll replace it with unsolved edges. We'll bring this up and bring this back. So now we can see these two are unsolved and these two are unsolved. So this is we need to ensure that the edge pieces of the unsolved edge pieces of unsolved edge should be into its correct position. So okay, we have replaced with this, don't worry. So what we can do is we have to ensure that while, because this edge will go down like this and this will come up, so this piece which is here will come here and this piece which is here will come here. So we need to fix accordingly. So here it should be, because this piece needs to be paired, so we have to ensure that here it should be, I mean this is yellow and orange, so here it should be yellow and orange. So it will fix here, it will come here and it will fix here. If yellow and orange is in this side, so it will come here and this will not fix. So we have to ensure this, that this is correctly positioned. So I'll just show you how to do it. Okay, so now we'll pair with this, and now we can see this is yellow and orange is into its correct position. So it will come here and it will replace it with this. So down, replace with this unsolved pair, and now you can bring it up and bring this back. So now we can see this is paired, this is paired, all the edges are paired. Now what if you have two unsolved edges, like what I said, that if you have uh, okay, so if you have two unsolved edges like this, if we'll pair this, we'll take this into this side and we'll replace it with this, and if you bring back, these two edges are not solved and these two edges are not solved. So this is the two edges which need to be, so this should be here and this should be here. So this is the swapping, we need to swap these two. So everything else is done except this two. So I'll show you how to solve it. So this is the situation whereby you will have two edge pieces which are unsolved. So to solve this, first we need to set these two edge pieces in such a fashion that both the edge pieces color should be the same. So here it is orange and yellow, so yellow is on top, this is also orange and yellow and it is on top. So I mean it should not be like this configuration. I'll just show you. This is not the right configuration. So this yellow and orange is flipped and it is on the opposite side. So this is not the right configuration. So we need to uh, make it in such a fashion that both the yellow and orange is on the same layer, and here it is green and orange is on the same layer. So we'll do this algorithm to fix it. So first we'll bring this piece over here like this, and we'll do this algorithm R Fi U R I F, and now we'll bring this back. So now we can see these two are fixed and these two are fixed. So now we'll fix the, now it is simple to fix the uh, first layer, second layer and third layer. So we'll start with first layer. So simple, this is white and blue, so we have to bring this here, white and blue. Now this is white and red, so what we'll have to do is we'll have to take this out of the way and bring this back and fix it. So this is done. Now white and orange, so we have to bring this is simple 3 by 3. Now we have to fix according to 3 by 3, and this is white and green, so fix it. Okay, now we'll fix the corners. So this is white, blue and red, this is white, blue and orange, this is white, blue, white, green and orange. So okay, what next is, okay, so our first layer is now done. Now we have to fix the edge pieces of second layer and third layer. So this is similar to edge swapping algorithm of 3 by 3. So we need to swap these two edge pieces over here. So this is similar swapping algorithm, that is U prime L prime U prime L U, turn right R U R prime U prime. So this is fixed. Similarly, this is green and orange, we need to swap with this. So it is U R U R I U I, turn left L I U I L, and this is fixed. So our all three layers are done. Now we have to fix the fourth layer. We have already fixed the fourth layer. I'll just show you few cases of fourth layer. This is one configuration wherein one edge piece is solved and all three edge pieces are unsolved. They are flipped. So normally we use 3 by 3 algorithm to fix it. So that is F R U R prime U prime F prime. So now we can see three edge pieces are solved. One edge piece pair is not solved, they are flipped. So this is the edge parity of 4 by 4. This is, I mean, this is the only edge parity which happens in 4 by 4. It doesn't happen in 3 by 3, or let's say it doesn't happen in odd layer puzzle, it happens in even layer puzzle. So it happens in 4 by 4, 6 by 6, 8 by 8 and so on. So how to fix it? So we have an algorithm to fix it. So hold it like this. This is the unsolved, I mean flipped edges, and this is edge parity. So what we'll do is we'll bring this middle layer down whenever we move this, this right middle layer down or up, we'll rotate this two times, u two times. And whenever we bring this up and down, left side middle layer, we'll rotate this front side two times. So what we'll do is, first we'll bring this down, rotate two times, then we'll bring this down, rotate two times this front layer, then bring it up, then rotate front layer, then we'll bring this down two times and rotate them upside two times. We'll bring it up again two times, and then we'll bring it down then two times. So whenever we'll bring this, we'll move the right layer up or down, we'll rotate this two times. And whenever we do this left hand layer up or down, we'll rotate this two times. So small ri, so we did this small ri, so we have to rotate this two times, so 2u. Then we have to bring this down, so l, small l, so 2f, l prime, small l prime, middle layer only, again 2f. Now we'll bring this down, 2r, 2u, r, small r, 2u, r prime, small r prime, 2u. Okay, now we have to rotate this two times front, so 2f, and we have to do this 2r, 1 and 2, small r, and bring this up to f. So now we can see all our edges are correctly positioned. Now we have to fix with the center. So we have one edge piece which is solved, and three edges are needs to be solved. So hold it like this. This is our front side, so it is r, u, ri, u, r, 2u, and ri. So again we'll have to do the same algorithm, r, u, ri, u, r, 2u, and ri. And now we can see it all matches. So now last step is to fix the corners. It is similar to 3 by 3, but there is also one corner parity that I'll show you. So this is fixed, this is fixed, this is not, and this is not. Okay, so we have a parity. So you can see first we'll solve all the yellow side so that we get to know the exact situation. So we'll rotate all the pieces. So these two are already rotated, these two we need to rotate it. So r, u, r prime, u prime, r, u, r prime, u prime, r, u, r prime, u prime, u, r prime, u prime. Bring this unsolved piece here, r, u, r prime, u prime, r, u, r prime, u prime. So now you can see we have a parity case of two corners which are swept. So this is a parity, corner parity. So how to solve it? So we can use cuboid algorithm to solve it. I'll show you two ways to solve it. So this is one way which I'll show you, which is cuboid a corner swapping algorithm, that is 2r u, 2r ui, 2r ui d, 2r ui, 2r u, 2r di. So these two are solved, but we have now age parity, so these two ages are swapped. Now we can see these two ages are swapped, so this we can solve it. Bring it, keep this in front of you. So this is on left side and this is on right side, and we have to do this algorithm. This is our u, so 2u, this is our r, so 2r, this is our f, so 2f, now 2u, again we have to rotate this 2u, now 2f, again 2r and 2u, and now cube is solved. I'll show you one another method to swap these two corners. So this is another method I'll show you, wherein we need to swap these two corners. So what I'll do is I'll move this middle right layer 2 times, and then I'll move top again 2 times, then move to u, and again move this layer 2 times and will rotate u. So I'll just show you. It is actually 6 moves only. So this is 1, 2, and please ensure these two unsolved edge corners are in front of you on top. So 2r, then 2u, again 2r. Now we have to take 2u, 2 layer. First we took only top layer. Now we have to take 2 layers, 1, 2u. Again we have to do 2u, 2r and 2u. So now you can see all the corners are placed. Now we have to again fix the edges, and the cube will be solved. So okay, so now we have to fix the edges. So we'll keep this in front. So r u, r prime, u, r, 2u, r prime. So these two are solved. Now we'll have to bring this solved edges in back and right, and 2 unsolved edges in front and left, and we'll do this algorithm r u, r prime, u, r, 2u, r prime and u. So now we can see all the edges are correctly positioned. Now we have to fix the corners. So this corner is placed properly, and these 3 corners are rotated. So we'll use 3 by 3 algorithm, that is u, r, ui, l, u, ri, ui, l. So this is placed properly, this is placed properly, and this is placed properly. Now we have to just rotate them and our cube will be solved. So r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, u prime. This is simple corners rotating algorithm, r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, u prime, and our cube is solved. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can let me know.